Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find digital well-being and parental controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 1 hour and 2 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the Chrome, then settings, camera, etc. So if you wish to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with a specific time you've spent on them. Or you can tap on the specific app, for example Chrome here, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. I also wanted to discuss ways to disconnect, maybe not all of them, but maybe two. Let's start with app limits. So if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can set the limits. So for example, in my case it could be camera, so just tap on the camera, or simply tap on this hourglass icon next to it, and now we can set the limit, the timer. If we will set, for example, for 30 minutes, it means that we will be able to use the camera for 30 minutes during a day, and after that the app will be blocked. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK. As you can see, maybe I will show you here, the camera is grayed out, and after attempting to open it, our device will show us this pop-out window with the information that the app is paused, the timer ran out, and we are actually not able to use it. Of course, usually the timer, if you will set, for example, half an hour, the device will reset the timer at midnight. However, in our case, because we've got set 0 hours and 0 minutes, it will not be reset. But of course, you can quickly turn it off just by going to the settings and removing the timer. However, I think that it is a really nice option, especially if you'd like to simply limit the usage of the specific app. Maybe it will be the sign which will show you that, well, maybe I shouldn't turn off the timer. I hope that you know what I mean. Okay, let me delete the timer. And another thing, it could be, for example, focus mode. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from specific apps, it could be game, it could be, I don't know, some kind of social media, simply find it in the list and mark it. I'll pick Chrome and the camera. Then we can tap on set a schedule, and here we can choose specific days of the week, specific hours of your choice. And then tap on set. And now, after setting the schedule, your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps. Which is also a nice way, because you can simply focus on different things like, I don't know, studying, working, or spending time with your family. So I highly recommend that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.